In this short video, I'll show you how to change your Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad without losing data. Changing your Apple ID might sound complicated, but I'll guide you through every step to make the process seamless. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate issues such as changing Apple IDs, Apple ID emails, phone numbers, and more. And together, we'll get your Apple ID updated in no time. Stay with me until the end to learn how to delete Apple ID from an iPhone. Now let's get started on how to change your Apple ID on iPhone or iPad. To start, head over to Settings on your device. At the top of the screen, tap your Apple ID name, which will show options like iCloud, Media, and Purchases. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. You may be prompted to enter your password to turn off Find My iPhone. Once you sign out, tap Sign In to enter your new Apple ID credentials. Now you can replace the old Apple ID on your iPhone by adding a new one. We have a dedicated video linked here that shows the easy steps to create a new Apple ID. If you're wondering what happens when you change your Apple ID on iPhone, well, when you change your Apple ID, your data, like contacts, photos, and calendars synced with iCloud will remain on your device if you select Keep a Copy. However, any purchases linked to the old Apple ID will not transfer. If you wish to change the email associated with your Apple ID, go to Settings. Then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Select Name, Phone Numbers, Email. Tap Edit next to Reachable At, and you can add a new email or delete the old one. You will need to verify the new email before it's set as your Apple ID. To change the name linked to your Apple ID, head to Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Then head to Name, Phone Numbers, Email, then tap your name. You can update your first and last name here. This name will be reflected across all Apple services like iCloud and the App Store. To change the phone number associated with your Apple ID, go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Then tap Name, Phone Numbers, Email. In the phone number section, tap Edit to add or change your phone number. Apple may send a verification code to confirm the number. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue with managing your Apple ID. To update your birthdate, go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Then tap Password and Security. Next, tap Edit next to your birthdate. If you're under 13, you might need to ask a family member to set up family sharing to change your Apple ID. To change your Apple ID region or country, head to Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap Media and Purchases, then View Account. Tap Country, Region, and select the new country. Be aware that you'll need to update your payment information to one valid in the new region. And that's how to change your Apple ID on iPhone or iPad, along with your email, phone number, name, age, and region. But what if you want to delete the Apple ID instead? No worries. In the video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete Apple ID from your iPhone. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.